We are continuing with the similarity. Here we are given a figure. It is given that angle ABD is equal to angle CDB, and which in turn is equal to angle PQB, and all these three angles are 90 degree. AB is given X units, CD is given Y units, and PQ is given Z units. And we have to prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z, right? So we will prove it by similarity. So if we first take triangle PQD and ABD, these are similar triangles. Why? Because this angle and this angle both are 90, and this angle is common between the two triangles, right? So if in any two triangles, two angles are equal, they are similar, right? So let's write that first. So we will write in triangle PQD and P, that means this QD, then we have to take A, okay? A, Q is right angle, so I will take B, BD. In triangles PQD and ABD, angle PQD, that is this angle, is equal to ABD. Angle PQD is equal to angle ABD. Reason, each 90 degree, right? Also angle PDQ, right? Or you can directly write angle D. Angle D is equal to angle D. Reason, common. It is common in both the triangles. Therefore, triangle PQD is similar to triangle ABD by AA axiom. So when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. So now, therefore, PQ upon AB is equal to QD upon BD is equal to PD upon AD. Right? So PQ, we will take PQ as PQ upon AB equal to QD and BD. Okay, this one we will take QD upon BD. So let's substitute the values. PQ is Z, AB is X, and this we will keep as it is, QD upon BD. Right? So let me name this as equation 1. Now I will go to triangle PQB and CDB. Now why am I doing this? Because I need X, Y and Z. So Y is in this triangle, is a part of this triangle. That's why I am taking triangle CDB and PQB. Right? So I will write in triangles PQB and CDB. Right? Here you have to set this in the order of their angles which are equal. P is this and C is this. Q and D. Q is 90 degree and D is also 90 degree. B is common angle, right? Make sure that you write this in proper order. So then we can say angle CDB is equal to angle PQB, right? Reason, each 90 degree. Another is you can write angle B is equal to angle B, common in both the triangles, right? Therefore, triangle PQB is similar to triangle CDB by AA axiom. Hence, their corresponding sides will be proportional to each other. So, PQ upon CD will be equal to QB upon DB will be equal to PB upon CB. right? Now we will take these two. PQ is Z, CD is Y equal to QB upon DB. This is my second equation. Now here I need 1 by x plus 1 by y. So I will add these two equations. So what will happen if I am adding these two equations? Left hand sides will get added and right hand sides will also get added. So I will write adding 1 and 2. I will get z upon x plus z upon y is equal to QD upon BD plus QB upon, in place of DB I can write BD, right? Now here in the numerator I can take z common, so I will get 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to, I can take BD as LCM here, so I will get QD plus QB, QD plus QB. So z into 1 upon x plus 1 upon y will be, now QD plus QB, QD plus QB, will it be BD? If you add this plus this, you will get BD upon BD. So z into 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1. Now you can shift this z to this side. You will get 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z. So you have proved this.